आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question it is given that an open topped box is to be constructed by removing equal squares from each corner of a 3 meter by 8 meter rectangular sheet and folding up the sides. So we have to find the volume of the largest such box. So making the box, like we have given a rectangular sheet, means like this, and also said that it has corners as equal squares, like means this. So give it a name like x, 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 and it is given 8 meter. This is 8 meter and this is 3 meter. So as you can see, this looks like this, and so here it is 8 meter. So here it is 8 minus 2x, and here is 3 minus 2x. It forms a cuboid, like this, like this, 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 and this. So this is x, and so the volume of this cuboid is x into this 8 minus 2x into 3 minus 2x. So in this, multiplying this, we get 8x minus 2x square, and this 3 minus 2x. Now multiplying this is x, 24x, this minus 16x square, and this is minus 6x square, and this plus 4x cube. So it comes 4x cube. This comes minus 22x square, and this plus 24x. So now differentiating this with respect to x, so it gets dv by dx is 12x square, and this minus 44x plus 24. So for further simplification, we would take common 4, so it gets 3x square minus 11x plus 6. So in this, factorizing this equation, we get 4 into 3x minus 2 and x minus 3. So if we say that dv by dx is equal to 0, so here x value comes as 2 by 3 and this plus 3. So now for finding the maximum value, again differentiating this, we get d square v upon dx square is equals to, this is 24x minus 44. So finding this d square v upon dx square at x equals to 2 by 3 first, so it gets 24 into 2 by 3 minus 44, so it comes 3/8 times, and this remains 16 minus 44, so it comes minus 28. So therefore it is less than 0, and d square v upon dx square at x equals to 3, it comes 24 into 3 minus 44, so it comes 72 minus 44, so it remains 28. So it is greater than 0, as you can see. So therefore we can say that maximum volume is at x equals to 2 by 3, since it is less than 0, so it is maximum. So for finding maximum volume, so therefore the volume we have given, which is x into 8 minus 2x and 3 minus 2x. So putting in this x value, volume at x equals to 2 by 3. So putting in 2 by 3 into 8 minus, this comes 4 by 3, and this 3 minus 4 by 3. So in this, taking LCM, 2 by 3 into this gets 20 by 3, and this remains 5 by 3. So therefore by multiplying this we get 200 by 3 meter cube. So therefore the maximum volume is 200 by 3 meter cube. So it is the answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।